Welcome back to Rocky Knob Farming, our YouTube channel. I'm Jason Eakers, and took a little break here. Ain't had a whole lot going on worth filming. In the high tunnel right now, trying to water our cover crop. Try to get this red clover up so when we turn it under, it'll build nutrients in our soil. A lot of things been going on. Tab, she's been working in the little greenhouse, starting to seed things for springs right around the corner. We've been ordering all of our seeds. It's just been a really busy January. So we're looking forward to February and March, and stick around and I'll show you some pictures of what we've been doing. We've been building a small greenhouse at Wayne Middle School. And I got Tab this little building to do her crafts in. That little Honda, it sure is a back saver on driving the post. I tell you, after going through the little episode with the stroke, it sure does feel nice to be out and enjoying the weather, doing the things that I love to do, and working with these kids. What a wonderful thing to be doing. Without Cliff and Tanner and Tab, it wouldn't be possible. And number one, I give all the thanks to the good Lord above. He's blessed us, and even though I didn't have much of a chance, He sure pulled me through. I don't quite understand how that you could be a farmer and not trust in the Lord. Without the Lord, we plant the seed, but He always brings the harvest. And this little greenhouse turned out wonderful, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and continue sticking with us here at Rocky Knob for our little adventure in life.